Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our absolutely beautiful Mercedes E-Class 2.1 E220 diesel BlueTEC AMG Night Edition G-Tronic automatic Euro 6 start-stop 2015 diesel automatic estate car. AMG Night Edition, so lots of black bits against the white bodywork, looks fantastic. So anthracite alloys, black mirror backs, black roof rails, black window frame surrounds, black splitters and spoilers, black grille. So we can see it has the latest funky LED xenon headlamps, front park distance control. This car has covered 75,900 miles. It is 2 owners from new, and it has an excellent Mercedes service history. Last serviced at 72,500 miles, now done 75,000 miles. 2 owners, 2 keys. Very good Mercedes service history. Now reverse camera, rear park sensors, wheels anthracite and wheel badges like brand new, freshly repowder coated, new rear discs and pads on there. Full history by Mercedes, been looked after this. Another immaculate wheel, new discs and pads, look like Pirelli P0s all round, they are, yes. So matching premium tyres on this side of the car at least. Now that isn't MB text, that is proper leather, so black heated leather with some electric functions on the seat. Obviously multi-function steering wheel with cruise and speed limiter, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, reverse camera. So enough spec. I have to say this is one of the nicest, most genuine cars I've ever seen or driven. We haven't really had to clean it. It came in immaculate. Don't think it's had an ounce of paintwork in its life. Just a really lovely, clean, well looked after, good looking estate car with great history, great ownership. I mean, it's still got the blue cellophane on the handle in the boot that was on from new. I mean, super clean in there. This car is Euro 6 and AdBlue, so there isn't a spare wheel. There's an inflation kit. If we lift the boot mat up where the spare wheel would go, there'll be an AdBlue tank. But Euro 6, ULEZ compliant. I think you'll agree. Really good looking estate car. AMG Night Edition. Again, Pirelli tyres, new disc and pads, immaculate wheel, no curbing, no corrosion, new disc and pads on the front, Pirelli P0, black mirrors, black roof rails, black window surrounds, full black leather heated electric seats, folding mirrors, $75,900 miles, nav, heated seats, DAB. I'll just sit in and show you the reverse camera, which is super clear. There you go. Only ever been to Mercedes for its servicing. Comes with 2 keys. Really pretty car in lovely condition. It's got the dark aluminium inside, 18-inch alloys. Price £14,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock on our website, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our YouTube channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram. If you do, please follow and like, it really helps us. Now this video will be hosted along with nearly 2,000 other car videos on our YouTube channel, which is Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over to our YouTube channel, if you subscribe, you will be the first person to get a little notification each time we upload a fresh car into stock. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.